Alright, so quickly, I have to stop now my tiling because actually my level, my initial floor is so low. If I want to catch up with the bathroom, I have to put tons of glue, which at the end of the day is not such a big issue, just that, well, I'm gonna have to stop for today, and I changed planned. I did the, well, you saw, yeah? Voilà, I'll continue tomorrow. Happy days. Bye. All right. So you saw me struggle a bit. That's the problem with working tiling backwards, is that yeah, if your measurement and your tiling is not perfect, then suddenly the tiles don't fit in the gap that you left for them. Actually, yesterday they were perfectly fitting, which means that probably while drying during the night, they slide it so much in one way or the other. I think it was number 8, all the way in the back. I think that's the culprit. And because of that pipe, PVC pipe, you see, where is it? Right there. Probably there was a bit of tension there, I didn't realize. And while drying it pushed it so ever slightly inwards. Lucky for me, that was really just a few millimeters, if that much, 1 millimeter or 2. And so I was able, you saw, to cut the side of the tiles. It's a good trick, actually. It's a trick if you want to do angles, obviously. But here, if you have that much millimeters just missing, you know, then you just do that. Cut the sides, and because the tiles are always a bit more trapezoidal, yeah. There is more matter at the bottom of the tile than at the top of the tile. So that way I'm cutting off the matter that is at the bottom of the tile, and it can then fit. If I had more than 2 millimeters, then I really would have been in trouble. And the solution is obviously to take the culprit out, number 8, and to start over. But in this case, I just had 2 millimeters, if that, probably only 1, thanks to my good measurement. So that was okay, that was good. Now it's fitting, it needs to dry. Yeah, the floor is really not leveled. I had to put a lot of glue. That doesn't really matter. It's not like glue is expensive. It's just gonna take longer to dry. I could have gone with some cement, but first I didn't have cement, and going to the shop just to get cement is a bit... and then the risk is that you make it too high, and then your new tiles are getting higher than the previous one, you know. So at least with the glue, I can dose. Yeah, it looks like a lot, I know. It's gonna take a while to dry, I know. But at the end of the day, it won't go anywhere, and it's better to have one material of one level, one layer, rather than my base, then I don't know, some concrete, and then my glue, and then the tiles. Each one of them is a layer. Anyway, blah blah blah. So voila, happy days. I would say happy days. Now we let it dry, and then I will remove the washing machine and tile that part. Voila. Then happy days. See ya.